Hello and welcome to today's video. This video brings to you 640 square feet of a one-bedroom shipping container house. Stay tuned as we take a tour through this amazing house design. Good, welcome back. This video brings to you MODBOX 640 Compact. This is an amazing one-bedroom shipping container house designed using two 40-foot shipping containers to create 640 plus square feet of habitable space. This video will highlight the design brief of the house. It will give you 3D floor plans, full color pictures of the exterior and interior design with finishes options and a cost estimate checklist to guide you with your own shipping container house project. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our inspiring weekly videos of amazing design ideas. Design brief. This modular design uses two 40-foot shipping containers to create a 640 plus square feet MODBOX 640, a modern one-bedroom house. This gorgeous one-bedroom house made from two containers innovatively accommodates the following salient features. We have an entry porch, we have a living room which contains a lounge, a small dining space, and an L-shaped open plan kitchen. We have a one master ensuite bedroom, we have a bathroom, and we also have a small laundry space. There is a private balcony to the master bedroom for added privacy. There's an additional outdoor sitting terrace accessed from the full height sliding doors in the living room. Foundation design. Before the container modules are delivered on site, it is advisable to have an appropriate foundation to accommodate your new containers. Use a raised foundation level to elevate the containers away from moisture. The elevated position of the container is also ideal to provide outdoor sitting space. This house is designed with a raft foundation, and you can watch our previous presentation 5 foundation types to use on shipping container house designs for more understanding. Structure and modification. This design series uses standardized, optimal sized windows and doors which do not require any specialized modification to the walls of the shipping containers, save for the full height 3-meter wide doors which are opening to the family terrace and the outdoor sitting spaces. Adequate fenestrations for daylighting are provided to help kill the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container. Because of the open plan design of the living space, the structural steel column and beam has been placed in between the lounge and the dining, and also between the kitchen and the master bedroom for additional structural reinforcement. Interior design. You are encouraged to adopt a minimalist interior design when furnishing your container house. Like in this particular design, we've used space-saving furniture ideas like stackable chairs for the dining space. We also have easy transformative furniture for the lounge space. You are also encouraged to use flat pack cabinets for the wardrobes rather than the custom units, since flat packs come in a wide range of colors and designs to choose from, and they will also help you to save on time and money. On insulation and temperature control, the interior of the living space is lined with an appropriate insulation material depending on the climate of where you are building. Insulation is very important because it will help prevent condensation, which can form mold or cause corrosion of your shipping container. So to achieve the best results for cold climates, you are encouraged to use closed cell spray foam insulation. And if you live in the tropics, feel free to keep away heat from your shipping container with whichever method that is appropriate. Remember to ensure before any interior lining is done, all the plumbing and electrical works should be installed. Outdoors and exterior design. A deck is a quick way to add extra living space to rather limited space inside a shipping container. In this particular design, we provided a 1.2 meter wide wooden canopy and deck spanning the entire frontage of the living space and also the master bedroom. So it acts as a nice entrance porch and also a private balcony to the master bedroom. Yeah, we also have additional patio space from the living room through the full height sliding doors that has been provided. The original cargo doors on all these containers have been removed and replaced with full height sliding doors to enhance access and daylighting. To cover off the large walls on the container that are left bare, you can put a wire mesh which is welded onto the exterior of the shipping containers to accommodate some climbers to introduce a bit of greenery on your shipping container environment. If you are using a one-trip container, feel free to leave it with its original color and markings so that you can preserve its charm and history. Otherwise, if cost is not an issue, feel free to put a fresh coat of paint in a color of your choice. We've also used timber modules to at least create a nice entrance porch and also a fascia board around the flat roof that has been provided on this particular design. Basically, the timber introduces a bit of character and also design flair to this particular design option. You also need a cost estimate checklist which will help you to just plan for your shipping container project. And in this particular case, we also have an itemized list that will help you to just tick and counter check what we've provided and what we've used in this particular design. So feel free to go through it. If you find there's an over provision, feel free to remove what you find is not appropriate, and whatever is missing, include it so that you can have a comprehensive list to help you in your planning and cost estimation process. Drawings and details are also provided. So if you like this design then feel free to visit our website and purchase the blueprints and give them to your builder or fabricate it yourself as a DIY project. The standard set of drawings come in DWG and PDF formats depending on your preference. The set of drawings come with dimension floor plans, elevations, a roof plan, foundation plan, and section detail. For any revisions, design inquiries, or custom designs, contact us on our website, sheltermod.com. So, what do you feel about our new shipping container modular design? Do you have any questions? Feel free to ask by posting in the comments below. If you need further inspiration, feel free to visit our YouTube channel and check out our other shipping container homes designs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our weekly videos on amazing design ideas. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.